Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the adventures of Miss Chuchubels, and as always, I am Victoria. I'm in a different part of my room because it's raining quite heavily. So if you hear like thunder and drop like the rain, it's because it is raining, and I'm not so sure whether how's the audio going to be, but let's push through this. It's fine. Today is another unboxing video from Partipost of Partibox, or it's the other way around. So I received this the other day, or actually it's hubby who received it. So we're going to do, this is the January box, this bag. So if you want to see what's inside, because I haven't seen what's inside, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, now I find it too bright, but anyway, let's go through this. So I received this box. So Partibox is a subscription service, so they send you like random items. It doesn't have a theme, but I've been enjoying a lot of the items that I've been getting, so I'm quite excited. I put it on the floor because you guys know I always like to drop things. So let's go and, oh wow, so this is, I haven't heard this brand. LG, you sure? So this moisture solution for dry hair. It's a shampoo plus treatment. And oh my god, I'm just being blinded by the lights. I'm not so sure how to do this, but okay, let's go through this. It's a, oh, it's Youngbo's Bird Nest Premium Hair Care. I don't know how I feel about Bird's Nest. Anyway, it's a premium hair care that contains sweetlet nest extract for the moisturized hair texture. So this is how it looks like. Let's open this up. I'm quite intrigued, but I'm not so sure how I actually feel about it. So this is how it looks like. I know the lights is like blinding. I'm not so sure how, but so this is the free gift from Partipost. It's actually a mask keeper. So yeah, I need this. Although I already have one inside my bag, but it's always good to have. So maybe I'll pass this to my husband so that he can actually use it, because there was one day he actually forgot and walked to the bus stop without a face mask. Can you imagine? If he was caught, it was like $300 fine. Luckily, the bus driver was nice enough to like inform him that you don't have a mask. Oh my god! Okay, is this Chinese New Year packaging? But this is the Red Bull Energy Pack. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Stay sharp, go further. Red Bull Singapore launched the newest product, Red Bull, containing zero sugar. Zero sugar while packing the same bold taste to power through the day and night. I used to take Red Bull like every day when I was younger, when I was working in the retail industry, because I need the energy. Next, there's a lot of like snacks. So this is Joseo crispy noodle snack. Can you hear it? ASMR. So like this is how it looks like. They gave us, oh, okay, so they have different flavors. So this, they gave us the original. It also has barbecue. Wait. And another variant, which is crispy noodle snack again. And I got original, two of the original. Prunes is good for you guys. I feel that my camera is not, but anyways, recording halfway. So this is the Sunsweet Prunes pitted prunes. So they gave us 4 packets, and this is how it actually looks like. The packaging is kind of wonky, but I guess bamboo salt. What is this for? You know, when they give you sample sizes, the issues that I actually have is I can't read it, but I'll try. Is ice calming? I don't know. So this is how it looks like. What is this? Shall we open? No, Victoria, no. Oh my god! Also from Red Bull is a facial mask. I love facial masks. I'm crazy about facial masks. So this is how, oh, I would totally wear this. You know why? Because it's my favorite color. And yeah, I'm going, as if you can hear me. What? Oops, sorry. Transfer. I'm going to wear this. I'm going to wash this so I can wear it. It's very Chinese New Year. Is it a theme? That is because Chinese New Year is just around the corner. But yeah, from the same brand, which, why do they have LG? Okay, so this is the volume solution for thin hair. Again, I like the packaging. So this is Royal Ginseng Premium Hair Care, which I don't mind. The other one is Bird Nest. Oh my goodness, can you actually see that? How pretty this is? Can I smell it? I can't smell it, but anyways, excited to have this. Then last but not the least, again, another pretty packaging. This is repair solution for damaged hair. I can't put it so near because if not, yeah, let's open it up. So this one is horse oil. I know there's a Western brand that also has rose. Is it mane and tail? I think so, and it was quite famous or well known. Can I just tell you how I love the colors of this range? They're like so pretty, and it's actually full sizes. Can you believe this? All just for $15 a month. I got all of this, like full sizes of these 3 items. So that's all the items that I got, and obviously it's more than $30, which they promise you that that's how much the total box will be that you will be receiving on a monthly basis, and you just get to pay $15 for a month. Yeah, so that's it. What am I excited about? The mask. Hello, the mask, and this Yung Ho hair care range. I have to do a little bit more research about this, and maybe I'll do a dedicated video because it's something new that I haven't heard about, and I'm willing to try this because my hair is damaged, it's oily, it's not at its best. So, which out of everything were you excited? Did you like this? I think this is the best box I ever received since October, because I started with them in October, and this is the best box yet. Thank you, Partipost. It's very good. So, if you like this type of video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos at least once a week. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!